Hey, my name is Aaron Chase. I'm up here. I'm going to show you some of my tricks and tips for my GoPro Chesty. One of the first things would be, I like to run it upside down, kind of Airwolf style, like the missiles on a Harrier. Typically, you would probably want to set it up with the camera just facing forward, but you're going to quickly find out when you review your footage that you're always hunched over the bars and you're going downhill. So actually a real chesty mounted camera would probably look like that. It's going to be looking up almost like at a 45-degree angle. That way when you do get on your bike and you're hunched down and everything else, it's giving you like that perfect straight ahead, maybe even down the trail. So some people ask me kind of what modes to shoot in. There's so many. I shoot in the 1440 by 48. It's got a taller aspect ratio that gives you a little bit more trail and a little bit more bike. And the 48 frames a second allows you to really slow down the footage. Now, if I'm shooting a lot in the woods and it might be dark or rainy or something like that, I'll shoot 1440 by 30. It just helps a little bit more with the light, brightens it up and gives it a nice clear shot.